1. What is insurance? Insurance is a formal contract between two parties, the insurer insurance company and the insured policyholder, in which the insurer agrees to compensate the insured for specific types of financial loss or damage in exchange for a periodic payment called a premium. From a functional viewpoint, insurance is a tool for risk transfer. Instead of bearing a large loss, a customer pays small, manageable amounts, premiums, so that if a covered risk occurs, like a car accident or a fire, the insurer compensates the policyholder as per the agreed terms. Sparkle's key functional concepts. Premium, the amount the policyholder pays regularly to maintain insurance coverage. Policy, the contract document detailing terms, conditions, coverage limits, exclusions, etc. Coverage, the scope of protection provided under the policy. Claim, a formal request by the policyholder to the insurer for payment based on the coverage. Deductible, the initial amount the policyholder pays before the insurance kicks in. Sum assured/coverage limit, the maximum amount an insurer will pay in the event of a claim. Understanding these terms helps a business analyst, BA, when creating process flows, defining system requirements, and modeling end-to-end scenarios. Office Building 2, functional goals of an insurance company. Insurance companies operate in a competitive, regulatory-heavy, and financially sensitive environment. As a BA, you must align your work with the company's key functional objectives. Compass primary functional goals. Risk evaluation and underwriting, identifying and calculating risk using data models to ensure profitable decision-making. Policy management, managing the complete policy lifecycle efficiently, issue, endorsement, renewal, and cancellation. Claims efficiency, processing claims quickly, accurately, and with minimal fraud. Customer retention, providing seamless customer service through portals, apps, and proactive engagement. Regulatory compliance, ensuring all products and processes meet legal and regulatory frameworks, e.g., IRDAI, GDPR, HIPAA. Process automation and digitization, improving operational speed and reducing manual dependencies through automation. A business analyst often contributes by modeling workflows, capturing requirements for automation, or ensuring compliance-related features are implemented properly. Receipt 3. Types of insurance. Insurance products vary based on the nature of the risk being covered. Each type has its own rules, stakeholders, and business processes. DNA 1. Life insurance. Offers financial compensation to beneficiaries upon the death of the insured. Includes products like term plans, coverage for a fixed time, e.g., 20 years. Endowment plans, offers savings plus insurance. ULIPs, combines investment and insurance. Often requires medical underwriting and has long-term policy durations. Hospital 2, health insurance. Covers medical expenses like hospital stays, surgeries, and outpatient treatment. Includes features like cashless treatment through network hospitals, pre-existing disease coverage after waiting periods, riders like maternity or critical illness cover, high involvement of TPAs, third-party administrators, for claim handling. Automobile 3, property and casualty, P&C insurance. Protects tangible assets and covers legal liabilities. Examples: auto insurance, covers vehicle damage, third-party liability. Home insurance, covers damage due to fire, theft, natural disasters. Travel insurance, covers trip cancellations, medical emergencies abroad. Risk assessment and claims investigation are more frequent here. Office Building 4, commercial insurance. Offered to businesses to protect against professional and operational risks. Examples: general liability, product liability, cybersecurity insurance. Workers' compensation. Often involves group policies, endorsements, and custom pricing. Understanding these categories allows a BA to tailor workflows, system modules, and user journeys based on the product. Repeat button 4. Insurance Lifecycle End-to-End Process Flow. This is the most important functional framework for a BA in the insurance industry. Pushpin Lifecycle Stages. 1. Quote generation. The customer inputs data, age, car model, health history. System uses rules, rating engine to calculate premium. Quote is provided with policy options. 2. Underwriting. Risk is analyzed based on data inputs. Can be manual, by underwriters or automated rule engine. Output, accept, decline, or accept with higher premium. 3. Policy issuance. Upon acceptance and payment, policy is generated. Unique policy number assigned. Documents are emailed, mailed, or downloaded via portal. 4. Billing and premium collection. Manages invoice generation, payment methods, credit card auto debit. Late payments, handled through reminders and cancellations. 5. Claims process. The policyholder reports a loss, accident, fire, etc. System verifies coverage and claim eligibility. Claim is assessed, approved, or rejected. Payment is processed if valid. 6. Renewal or cancellation. Near expiry, the system initiates renewal workflow. If policy is not renewed or voluntarily canceled, it is terminated. Each of these steps involves data flows, validations, status transitions, and integrations, areas a BA must document precisely. Toolbox 5. Key systems in the insurance domain. Insurance operations are powered by multiple core systems that BAs may work on or interact with. Wrench core systems. Policy Administration System, PA, manages policy lifecycle, changes, and storage. Underwriting Engine applies business rules to assess risk. Billing System generates invoices, tracks payments, and applies penalties. Claims Management System tracks claim registrations, assessments, payouts. CRM System maintains customer profiles, communication logs. Document Management System, DMS, stores all policy claim documents securely. Portals, Customer Agent, interfaces for self-service policy management. Each of these has its own set of UIs, APIs, workflows, and integration points. BAs are responsible for defining their behavior and business logic in various scenarios. Brick 6, Functional Modules in Insurance Software. A typical insurance solution is modular. Each module has a specific function and may interact with others through APIs or message queues. Clipboard Major Functional Modules. Customer onboarding and KYC. Collect customer identity documents, validate them, perform AML checks. Quote management. Dynamic pricing based on inputs like age, vehicle, geography. Policy lifecycle management. Midterm changes, cancellations, reinstatements, renewals. Underwriting rules engine. Logic-driven acceptance or referral to manual underwriter. Claims registration and processing. Capture incident details, documents, surveyor reports, process payment. Payment gateway integration. Secure payment collection, refund logic, multi-currency handling. Reporting and compliance. Regulatory reports, e.g., IRDAI filings, internal audit trails. Analytics and dashboards. KPIs, loss ratios, customer satisfaction scores, fraud patterns. Busts in Silhouette 7, stakeholders in insurance projects. Business analysts interact with multiple roles, each having unique goals and pain points. Man-office worker key stakeholders. Underwriters need accurate risk inputs and approval workflows. Claims adjusters require seamless documentation and decision support. Agents brokers use portals for selling and managing policies. Policyholders need intuitive UI/UX and clear communication. IT teams consume requirements in the form of user stories and specifications. Regulators ensure product and data compliance. Actuaries provide pricing models and data for risk evaluation. BAs must often translate stakeholder needs into clear, testable system requirements. Woman Technologist 8. BA responsibilities in insurance projects. You'll act as a bridge between business and technology, ensuring business needs are met through technical solutions. Direct HitCore responsibilities. Conduct requirement gathering workshops with SMEs. Prepare BRDs, FRDs, user stories, acceptance criteria. Design process flows and state diagrams. Define business rules, e.g., claim eligibility, underwriting cutoffs. Coordinate with developers and QA teams. Perform gap analysis and propose optimizations. Support UAT and training documentation. Automobile 9. Real-life use case, auto insurance claim. Scenario. A customer's car is damaged in a collision, and they want to file a claim. Pushpin functional workflow. Customer logs into mobile app, selects the policy, enters damage details, and uploads images. System verifies coverage and claim validity. Surveyor is auto-assigned for damage inspection. Based on report, claim is approved,